at this guy. My sweetheart. Yeah, you're a mess, aren't you, buddy? I'm gonna take care of you. He's congested. He had lots of fleas. He has horrible ears and teeth. I know, I won't touch your ears, buddy. Say hi, everyone. So he was adopted 13 years ago from us. Before we were Lapcats, we were just doing adoptions for the shelter. Didn't have a name or a nonprofit yet. But he did have on his microchip information that traced him back to us. So when he came into the county shelter, they notified me and had a hard time trying to figure out who he was. I don't remember the adopter, but the long and short of it is he was abandoned or something. They found him on the street. So they notified the people that were listed on the chip. They never came, never called, they got a letter, they got a phone call. The microchip company notified them as well. Look at him. So shelter did some blood work for us. He's got slight anemia, probably from his fleas and from the upper respiratory infection. His ears are a mess. So we're gonna get him groomed up tomorrow and get his teeth taken care of, and he's gonna be a different kitty a month from now. Poor guy. 13 years ago. Oh, baby. You're safe now. They had him listed with the name Garth Brooks, but I don't like that. Maybe we'll just call him Brooks. That's a nice, strong, masculine name, huh?